Welcome to ProTEQ Custom Gear and ProTEQ Firearms Academy. Today we're going to go over a drill called the 3-for-3 drill, or at least that's what I call it. You're using 3 rounds for one mag and 3 rounds for another mag, and you've got 6 total targets. So the 3-for-3 drill. And you can do this on a plate rack, you can do this using paper pie plates, you can do this using a piece of paper with 6 circles on it at whatever distance. You can use a timer, you can do whatever you want. But I like to shoot it at as fast of a cadence as I can comfortably hit the targets. So here's what it looks like. So you can see I left one up, but that's the 3-for-3 drill. It incorporates a magazine change. You're shooting to slide lock twice, and you're transitioning between targets. It's a nice drill to do a lot of weapons manipulation and get a few actual weapons cycles in, as opposed to just shooting with 1 round in the magazine, which would go to slide lock all the time, which is a different feel when shooting the gun. Let's try it one more time, see if I can get it. That elusive last target keeps getting me. Try it one more time. There we go. So as you see there, not everything looks perfect all the time. Some people put videos up on YouTube where they just perfectly execute, the drill that they're doing, but off camera, it probably took them a few attempts. It probably took a few attempts to accomplish that. And some days are like that. That's why we practice. That's why we train. Because I'd rather make mistakes here on the range and have misses and have to adjust my own capability to where my hit probability increases here on the range versus, say, in real life. So come to the range, practice, realize that some days you just got to embrace the suck and just work through it. And try to, if you can, if you got the time and the ammunition, try to end on a win. But God bless you guys and stay safe out there.